Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I ordered the all-weather mats from
Tesla.
Check it out. Tesla. Nice. But there is something I need to do first. Got a vacuum. And then I put these bad boys in there. At least now I can see what I'm doing with my new LED lights I installed. Because with the generic lights that came with the Tesla, I wouldn't be able to see. Card in the corner. Check the video out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness if you want.
All right, passenger side. Like a glove, even with the Tesla logo there. Driver's side. Let's see how this goes in there. Wow. Perfect fit. All right, like I said, these are from Tesla. I know I can't get you a discount on these, but I may be able to find you something comparable from Tesery.com, and I can get you a discount. All right, incoming. Let's see how this one fits. Oh, good, once you get over the bump there. Wow. Nothing like when something's made specifically for something. It fits so good. All right, fellas, look at how nice that looks. I moved somewhere more sunny. My carport's not very sunny, but perfect fit. And when I say perfect, I mean it is perfect fit. All right, these mats from Tesla are an absolute perfect fit. Yep, I'm going to put a link to them and a link to Tesery mats so you can pick ones from Tesery with a discount. And there you have it. Some perfect all-weather mats for your Tesla from Tesla. And they even have Tesla written on them. If you would like something comparable, maybe a little bit less expensive, you can get a discount using Your Florida Electrician at checkout. Tesery.com. At checkout, put in there Your Florida Electrician to receive 5% off your entire order. It doesn't matter whether it's mats or not. I'll put a link to all the all-weather maps that they have there. You can choose your model. Maybe it's a little bit cheaper there, especially with the discount code. Thank you for watching. This was a nice, easy one that anybody can do. Thank you for watching.